Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cite sources in automatically in Zotero. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to cite source automatically in Zotero, all you got to do is simply go to Zotero. So now to cite automatically, you can use the Zotero connector to save sources from web. Then you can install the plugin for your word processor like Words, Google Docs, or LibreOffice to insert citations and bibliographies by clicking the Zotero tab and using the Add or Edit Citation and Add or Edit Bibliography tool. Searching for your sources in Zotero handles the formatting and updates. You can also drag and drop items from your library to your document for quick bibliography creation. So this way you can simply cite sources automatically in Zotero. You can add by identifier, quick copy, and edit your citations as well in it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.